Welcome. Today we have a massive video for you guys. We're dressed as brain rots for the funsies, and we're crafting the lost chilies. We're crafting the lost chilies. Nick has not joined yet. He will be soon, but he's dressed as a strawberry elephant. I'm guest 666. Supermax is 67, and this is La Nubini combination.
My head's huge because of the dynamic.
Now, Nad, would you just move it, please? And we've got three chillin' chilies. We've got one with 5 traits, it's gold. One with 3 traits, it's candy. And another gold one with 3 traits. This one has 5.
Camera ramena.
Okay. That's okay.
Camera ramena.
Go to my base, please. He's snapping.
Camera ramena.
Bro, it's been 10 minutes. Where's fire? Yes, finally fire.
Camera ramena.
Why no lost chilies, Sammy? Aston, do it. Okay. Add lost chilies.
Camera ramena. Los tralallericos.
Come on, this has so much potential.
Come on. Okay, I'll be at your base, Max, but the camera ramets are messed up my base.
Go get the camera.
Camera ramena.
Spawn it.
Oh, I got Bombardiro! Okay, I'm gonna start the chillin' chilies.
Oh, nice. Okay, start it.
I've started Lost Chilies.
I'll be very surprised if it has no traits.
Prezzo
Wait,
robo.
what just spawned?
Camera ramena.
Tractoro Dinosauro.
Dinosauro.
That had me
I
too.
thought it said Nuclearo Dinosauro.
Yeah, same.
Are you guys okay trait farming too? Well,
Yeah, we're
3,
good.
will you be okay to trait farm 3?
Yeah, we'll be good. She'll be right.
Bye now.
Camera ramena. Prezzo robo.
Prezzo Tic Tac. Oh, I can't check because I got the Lost Chilies in. He skipped my craft.
Okay, Aston, open it.
Wait, who needs to buy it?
Why not? I'll buy it and then Aston open it. I'll buy the stuff
And
first.
then I need you to buy it immediately.
Camera ramena.
Okay, open
Prezzo
it.
robo.
Okay, ready? Here it comes. Where are you?
I'll buy it. I'm here, don't worry.
I've opened it. Oh, it's got fireworks!
Los
Yes.
It's
chilis.
got fireworks
Yes.
in the end!
Perfect.
Oh my god!
Okay,
Camera ramena.
it's already at
Buy it,
800
Max,
mil.
buy it.
Prezzo robo. Los chilis.
Come on, we have to get it to like a lot.
It's gonna be 1 mil. We're gonna get this. Oh, this is gonna be like.
Camera ramena.
Buy it, what are you doing?
Prezzo robo. Los chilis.
I just wanted to spread them out a bit.
Mancat, bro.
Max, be careful, the Prezzo Robo and Lost Chilies are close together.
Go back close to the house.
Okay, Bombardiro's finally ended.
Camera ramena.
Oh, yes,
Prezzo
it got,
robo.
this thing, a sombrero.
Los chilis.
Nice, 1.7. Oh my gosh. Nice.
Prezzo robo.
Buy it near the runway. Buy it near the runway because that's
Los
where it gets the
Chilis.
trays.
Oh, okay. Surely. Shall we buy them near the runway
Yeah,
now?
you buy them near the runway. That's how it works.
Okay.
Camera
It's
ramena.
like
Los
Chicotera and
trallaleritos.
another Lost Trallerito.
Prezzo robo. Los chilis.
Oh my god.
Camera ramena. Prezzo robo.
Oh, it's because
Los
he spawns
Chilis.
base. Oh, you
Camera
guys.
ramena.
When he's every time. Wait, have you
Prezzo
guys got
robo.
it? Can I go raid his
Los
base?
chilis. Camera ramena.
No, I got hit. I'm good. I'm good.
You good?
Don't worry.
Camera ramena. Prezzo robo.
Okay. We're doing this. Oh. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Okay.
Perino. Los chilis. Camera ramena. Coco fanto elefanto. Prezzo robo.
They did? Oh, nice. How
Camera
much do they
ramena.
give? They give 2.2.
Los chilis. Prezzo robo.
Guys, we should also do spider soon, like after.
Trallaleritas. Prezzo robo.
Oh, Mega Tito.
Camera ramena.
Oh no, I can't see. I'm good. I'm
Los
good.
Chilis.
Don't worry. I'm good. Oh, Chicletaria. Okay, we need to do Chicletaria. Guys, can we let go of the other two and
Prezzo
just
robo.
focus on the Lost Chilies?
Los chilis. Camera ramena.
Okay. Yeah.
Los chilis. Prezzo robo.
Oh no. Oh yes, Mega Tito. The Lost Chilies got hit by
Camera
Mega Tito.
ramena. Prezzo robo.
Okay, let's just
Los Chilis.
focus on the Lost Chilies. It's too much.
Prezzo robo. Los chilis. Camera ramena.
Oh, I see it here. I see.
Camera ramena. Prezzo robo. Los camera ramena.
Okay, Lost Chilies here.
Prezzo robo. Los chilis. Camera
Come on! Come Yes! 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 Okay, okay, come on!
Los chilis.
Oh yes.
Oh! Yes!
Yes, the Lost Chilies got starstruck.
Camera ramena. Los chilis.
Okay, I'll buy it. I'll buy it.
Camera ramena.
No, I got hit. No,
Prezzo robo.
I got hit.
Camera ramena.
Where's the Lost Chilies? Oh, I see them. I got them. Yeah, I know. I said that. Okay. Oh yes, I got the tail. Oops.
Camera ramena.
No, I keep on getting hit. I can barely compute what's happening. It's too much for me. I got them, don't worry. Wait, no, I didn't get it. Buy it. Oh, thank gosh, thank you. It lagged, it didn't let me buy it. Okay, good. This is way too stressful.
Camera ramena.
Buy it. Buy it. Buy the Lost Chilies.
Los chilis. Tralelo tralala. Los
Okay, Chicletaria. Oh no, I got hit.
Camera ramena.
I'm
Los
good.
chilis. Camera ramena.
Yep. Did it get Chicletaria? Nope.
Los chilis. Camera ramena. Los chilis.
so stressful. Hey, someone go to my base. Max.
Camera ramena. Los chilis. Camera ramena.
Okay. Why is it not working? Okay, I need to buy this. Hold up. Yes, yes. Yeah.
Camera ramena. Los
Bought
chilis.
it. Okay. What, is it gonna do it?
Spiderinis. Cappuccino assassino. Boneca ambalabu. Los spiderinis.
Oh, oh, oh. No. Ah.
Camera ramena.
Well, here
Los
we go.
chilis.
Here it is. And the trait farm has stopped. 3 billion. Okay. Wow, 3 billion. That's pretty good. Wow. Peace out. Subscribe. Subscribe or...